Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1481 of our What's She Up To Now? Documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. What's working, what's not, the good, the bad, the ugly. Today I'm going to make it really quick. I'm talking fast on purpose because I've got to get to a commitment. We talked about on the annual challenge, and you can go ahead and check this out on the Sharon Horne-Ellstrom Facebook page or Facebook group, where it's all over my different Facebook pages. And we talked about a secret trick that I use. I call it a card trick. And you can find out more about that because I think it's something that anybody and everybody can do. And it's one of those things that you can do. It's a little thing every day, or you can carry the same card every day, whatever works for you, but it'll make a huge impact on your life, your goal achievement, your life, the things you want, your mindset, anything you want to learn more about. You know, remember note cards in grade school and high school and flashcards. We've learned and we've used cards our entire life. And we, you know, as kids do that, right? We taught this is my granddaughter's Go Fish and Thomas the Train decks. And I think this Thomas the Train deck might even be from when my son was little. I'm not sure. But I carry all different types of cards, one a day usually with me, just as a daily reminder of something I want to improve in or something I'm working in. With the annual challenge, I carry a card a day, and I hadn't even really talked about that I do that, I don't think. So I wanted to share that with people now that we're on the second segment of that. I think today was day 49 of that challenge already. It's already day 49 of 2022. Crazy. So that, and then supersize your business. Our idiom today was dial it back. So I shared different challenges and areas in businesses that I see most often, because I've worked with thousands of businesses where people are struggling, and they're things that they should dial back or dial in and make sure they're doing right. So you could catch that on Supersize Your Business page or on YouTube or all the different social media platforms that I post on every day. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I will sign off and I will be with you tomorrow.